If you're trying to subscribe to ChatGPT Plus or another paid plan and your payment keeps getting declined, here are the most common fixes to try. First, double check your payment information. Make sure your card number, expiration date, CVV, billing name, and billing address are all entered correctly. Next, verify that your card has enough available funds and is enabled for online and international transactions. Some banks automatically block certain online payments for security reasons. If your payment is still getting declined, try using a different payment method. Another debit card, credit card, or any payment options available in your region may work. You should also contact your bank issuer to ask if they are blocking the transaction. In many cases, they can approve the payment or explain why it was declined. If you're subscribing through ChatGPT mobile app, remember the payments are processed through the Apple App Store on iPhone or the Google Play Store on Android. Make sure your payment method is valid in your Apple or Google account as well. You can also try signing out of ChatGPT, clearing your browser's cache, or using a different browser device before attempting the payment again. If none of these works, visit the OpenAI Help Center and contact support. Be ready to provide details about the error message you're seeing and the payment method you're using so they can investigate the issue. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.